Hello friends, welcome to another video related to ransomware. In this video I am telling you the method of EEWT and Eemv ransomware, which are common nowadays. So I am telling you complete method, so follow all the steps which I will tell you in this video. So as you know that when your PC has been attacked by these ransomware, they will ask for, so they will encrypt your all data. You will unable to use your all data. Okay, so in this way I show you the example like that. As you can see that in this case the ransomware attack is .vvoa. This is the PDF file. The PDF file has been encrypted by .vvoa, and they will also place a readme.txt file in your PC. Attention, they will ask for money, so do not pay them, or I am telling you complete method which you can follow to recover your PC. And after recovering your PC you can also decrypt your data as well. Okay, so ignore them, do not pay them, they will again fraud with you. So first thing, when they attack your PC, first thing you have to do is turn off your PC. Okay, after turning off your PC, from here you turn off your internet. After turning off your internet, go to the system task manager option. Okay, after going to the task manager option, then click, you will see some unknown system will be, unknown file, your unknown background process will be running in your PC. Here you will see some unknown process will be running in the taskbar. Whenever you have to turn off all the background process which will be running in your PC, which you know that these are unknown file. How you can turn off or end task all this? Just like that, this is the Chrome file. I want to end this. Just click on it and click on the end task. Okay, and this will be, and also you can do like this, just click on it and click on the end task. Okay, you have to do all this. And another step is third step is go to the C option, C drive, where your Windows is installed. Then go to the Windows, then go to the system 32 folder, and then go to the drivers, and then you will see the etc folder, and then here you will see the host file. Okay, this is the host file. Okay, you have to open with it. You can open it with txt file. You can open it with a notepad. Here you can see that this is your local IP address. Here you can see that this is your own PC IP address. Whenever they will attack your PC, you will see some unknown IP addresses here with which website will be attached like that. Okay, so whenever you see some unknown IP addresses below here, okay, you have to just like that select it and click on delete it, and then again click on it and save the file. Now your PC has been disconnected from the ransomware attack. Now I am telling you the method by which you can decrypt your all the file. Okay, I am telling you few software which you can use to decrypt your data. The first software is Eemv Stop Decryptor. Second is Shadow Explorer. Third is Photorec, and fourth is Free Malware 2. I will provide the link in the description as well, and you can also search these software on the Google as well. So you will find these four software. You can use these four software to use or recover your all the decrypted data. I hope you will like this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section as well, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.